Let's get that good old cold start.
Like, I know you ain't got that much speed.
And go! Now, why would you want to do that? Why? And go! That's the right booty right there, man. Look at that right booty right there. Look at that right booty right there. Right there. Now, look at that right booty. Good. Let me them hips. Them hips. Yes, sir. JP like them hips. Oh, my God. Just want to give y'all little updates, man. I got a new intro coming for y'all, man. I put it in my head last night on how I want to do it. And, yeah, I'm going to get to it. I'm going to edit that for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Chevy. Subscribe. Let's get that good old cold start.
Like, I know you ain't got that much speed.
You want to do that? Why? And go! That's show y'all what I be looking at, man, when I be looking at my mirror, man. Y'all see them hips, man? Good. Let me move. That's the left hip right there. Then I be looking at the back of the booty with the camera. You know what I'm saying? Mirror camera, of course. You know, 2020. In case y'all didn't know, man. And this is JP Chevy channel, man. Appreciate y'all entering and checking it out. You know what I'm saying? Giving y'all updates in a minute here. But I just wanted to show y'all, man. Look at that's the right booty right there, man. Look at that right booty right there. Look at that right booty right there. Right there. Now, look at that right booty. Good. Let me them hips. Them hips. Yes, sir. JP like them hips. Oh my God. 55. Give y'all one more. And go. Downshift. I had to stop a little too soon, man. Come on, man. Y'all seen that the speed limit was 55? Look at it. See what I'm talking about? People can't drive out here, you heard me? Hey, but look here though, man. Like I was saying, man, thank you for you know what I'm saying, clicking in and tuning in to JP Chevy's channel, man. Let me roll up the window, man, so I can get out that air, man, because shoot, boy, it's been hot the last couple of days. I'm about to say weeks, but the last couple of days at the job, at the JOB, it's been pretty hot. My bad, I had y'all down, man. Y'all couldn't even see where we were traveling to, feel me? But anyway, though, just want to give y'all little updates, man. I got a new intro coming for y'all, man. I put it in my head last night on how I want to do it. And, yeah, I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna edit that for y'all, you know what I'm saying? This right here is going up for Wednesday right here for y'all, man. That video, my intro, the intro will be going up Saturday. You know what I'm saying? New intro. So y'all be on the lookout for that. And got a personal review, man. A Tesla Model Y, I think that is, performance, man. Don't quote me on that, but I do know it's a Tesla. You know what I'm saying? And gonna link up with him Saturday. So with that being said, look for that on Monday. Cause if y'all as y'all know, and if y'all don't know, and this y'all first time coming on, man, cause I do got some new subscribers, man, and thank y'all for subscribing to my channel, man. You know what I'm saying? But I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Again, that's Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And let me explain why, man. Because I work 12 hours, 6 days, sometimes 7 days a week. You know what I'm saying? Third shift, graveyard. You know what I'm saying? So don't get that twisted or misconstrued, man. So I had to find time in there to make videos, had to find time in there to edit the videos, had to find time in there to upload the videos, you know what I'm saying? This journey that I've been, what the illegal U-turn? Anyway, this journey that I've been going through, man, it ain't been easy, you know what I'm saying? But I've been doing it though, and I've been doing it strong, you know what I'm saying? So for those, man, I appreciate y'all, man. If y'all, you know what I'm saying, tell other people about me, man. Cause me personally, I might be the only channel that don't cuss. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think I said one cuss word, and I think that was hell. And that's nothing though, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, I don't cuss on my channel, man. If y'all notice, if y'all go back and look at all my videos, every last single one of them, you ain't gonna hear me cussing. You might hear somebody else cussing, but you ain't gonna hear me cussing, cause I don't cuss on my channel. Now, granted be told, truth be told, all honesty, I do cuss. I ain't even gonna cap. I do cuss, but when it come down to this YouTube thing and this camera, when this camera on, man, I go very professional for y'all. You better believe that, on God. But yeah, man. Hey, this is JP Chevy, man. Like I said, man, I just want to give y'all an update, man, and let y'all know what's going on. And I was gonna do a you know what I'm saying, B-roll on the Range Rover, I think it is. Might be a Land Rover, but I think it's a Range Rover though. But I was like, nah, I'm gonna let the people know, man, what I got going on, what's about to come up, and what they need to look forward to. You know what I'm saying? Let my subscribers know that, you know what I'm saying, my squad. And speaking of squad, man, good God Almighty, come out of nowhere. You know what I'm saying? I gotta look out and be on the lookout for it, man. Let it glow red, man. The whole entire universe. Yes, squad. Yeah, man. So, hey, man, this is JP shit. That boy, man, I couldn't even zoom in. Oh, okay, 18-wheeler. Go ahead and hit me if you want to. Woo, sheesh. Boy, y'all catching it all on camera today. I'm trying to tell you, man, people cannot drive, man. Y'all see it right there, man. Y'all see it right there, man. Come on, focus. Y'all see it right there, man. A lot of people don't see it, man. I think a lot of people think that this is a V6, so they pull out in front of me, man. And like, I don't even really. I think my exhaust be louder than what I actually be doing. And when I say what I actually be doing, I'm talking about my speed, because I don't really be speeding half the time. Half the time I do get up to the speed that I'm supposed to be at, and I let off because I like to hear that thing. Them verbals come out though, man. But it just seems like I speed because this is a fast car. But people that's not car enthusiasts or doesn't exactly know what this car is, they just pull out all in front of you, man, and then they drive slow and stuff, man. It's hard being me, man. I'm gonna tell y'all that right now, man. For real, I had to say that hard because for real, it's hard being me. It ain't easy, yo. Hey, somebody tell Nationwide to give me a check, man. Cut me a check for not being what's the word, reckless driver or something, man. Y'all comment below on what I'm talking about, man. when they send you the check for not wrecking. I think what's the insurance? Allstate. I think Allstate do that. Cut you a check when you don't have a wreck in so many years on their insurance, man. Nationwide, man, they need to do something like that, man. They need to cut me a big check, son. Cause man, I've been driving since I was 17, and I ain't had not one wreck. Now I got into a wreck. I got hit on the back with my own homeboy, my bruh. You know what I'm saying? But you know, hey, it was a long time ago, man. That was back when I had that 1988 5-speed Camry. You feel me? Hey, but look here, man. I've been talking long enough, man. I just wanted to give y'all them updates, like I said, man. And yo, if y'all, you know, say like this video right here, man, just give y'all a little entertainment on the start out, man. And a good cold start. But if y'all like this video, man, be sure to give it a big fat thumbs up, man. And be sure to subscribe, man, if you're first time coming on to my channel, man, JP Chevy, man. And we're going up all 22, 2023 and beyond. You heard me, man? Hey, run that outro. I'm gone. Oh God.